Okay, Dennis, this is the reason why I haven't sent you a video of the toilet flushing yet, is because I can't tell which way it goes. Here, I'm going to show you. I'm going to flush it. Here's me flushing it. And you tell me, which way does it go down? I'll do it again for you. Ready? You tell me which way it goes, because I have no idea. It looks like it goes straight down. Oh, hold on. Ready? I can't tell. Good luck. May the force be with you. I need